Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on YFI token. In my earlier videos, I've been showing you another breakout that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart from another falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we rallied very well, but could not break out this very long-term resistance of $11,240. And you can see that the price end is again dropped down at this long-term support of $8,000. Despite we had this long spike up to $15,955, you can see that the candlestick was closed. By the way, you can buy the closing price here. That was at $8,825, and the price end could not break out this $11,240 resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for YFI token that I shared on 25th of September 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that YFI token formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down inside this buying zone. Then we had a nice pump, again dropped down inside this buying zone. Then we had almost 215%, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of YFI token, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously since after Feb 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel that was a multi-year based resistance. You can see that we found the resistance of this channel here in the month of May 2021, and since then it was not able to break it out. And before the breakout, we also formed another smaller down channel that was formed within this bigger down channel, and we broke out both channels together here in the month of January 2023, but got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And after testing this long-term support here at $5,000, that was in fact previously breaking as a support here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a support here as well when we were moving inside this wedge. Finally, we broke out the resistance of this wedge, and imminently we also broke out the next resistance of $8,000 as well. That was a quite significant resistance because previously for several weeks it had been breaking as a support here and as a support here and as a resistance here as well. Now it is again breaking as a support for the past several weeks after getting rejected by this long-term resistance of $11,240. You can see that this level of $11,240 has been breaking as a resistance here, and now it again broke as a resistance. And now after testing this support, there is a probability that soon it may make another attempt to break out this next resistance. And the next major resistance after that will be here at $18,500 that had been previously breaking as a support here for several weeks or months. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel that is here at the top of the channel, that is between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.